Hi everyone, having trouble with HughesNet, no internet, no Wi-Fi or slow speeds? In this video, we will show you easy fixes to get your connections back on track. Let's get started. Why HughesNet internet issue occurs? HughesNet internet issue often occur due to poor signal quality from the satellite, which can be affected by weather conditions or misalignment of the satellite dish. Additionally, exceeding data limits can lead to throttled speeds, resulting in slow internet performance. Lastly, equipment malfunction or network congestion during peak usage times can further disrupt connectivity. Fix 1. Restart your modem and router. Unplug both your modem and router from the power outlet. Wait for 30 seconds to allow the devices to fully reset. Plug the modem back in first. Wait until all the lights stabilizes. This may take a few minutes. Then plug in the router and wait for it to fully reboot. Fix 2. Check for service outages. Service outages can affect many users in your area, and knowing this can save your time troubleshooting. Visit the Down Detector page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Look for any reported outages in your area that could be affecting your services. Fix 3. Network Traffic Management. Be aware that HughesNet may implement network management practices during peak usage time, which can affect speeds. Understanding these policies may help set realistic exceptions for performance. Fix for modem and disalignment. If you experience constantly slow speed, it may be worth having a technician check the alignment of your satellite dish and modem settings, as misalignment can significantly impact performance. Fix 5. Check cable connections. Ensure that all cables are securely connected to your modem, router, and wall outlet. Look for any visible damage or fraying on the cables. If you find any damaged cables, replace them. Fix 6. Data limit check. Confirm that you have not exceeded your data limit for the month, as this may restrict your internet access even if you are connected to Wi-Fi. Sign in to the HughesNet My Account app. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Click on the usage section, select View History to see daily breakdowns of your data usage. For devices label usage, go to the Connected Devices page under Wi-Fi Management in the Usage category to check 24-hour and previous 14-day periods. Fix 7. Test your connection. Connect a computer or laptop directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable. This will help determine if the issue is with your Wi Fi network or the internet connection itself. Open a web browser and check if you can access the internet. If you can connect via Ethernet but not Wi Fi, the issue may lie with your router. Fix 8. Run a speed test. Regularly conduct speed tests at a different times of day to monitor your connection speeds. This can help identify patterns in a slow performance. Open a web browser and go to speedtest.net. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Click on the Go button to start the test. Wait for the test to complete, which will show your download speed, upload speed, and ping latency. Fix 9. Contact HughesNet support. If issue persists after trying these solutions, request a technician visit to diagnose and resolve any underlying problems with your service setup. You can reach out to them by calling at 866-482-177. If necessary, consider requesting a new modem from HughesNet. Previous users have reported improvements after replacing older equipment.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.